Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll look at how to launch an instance and how to log in it. First we're gonna launch an Linux VM. So click on launch instance and I'm giving name as Linux server. I'm taking AMI as Amazon Linux, and for that launching a VM you need to have a key pair, and without key pair also you can launch, but it is recommended to launch with a key pair for security. So create a key pair that will download a PEM file. You can also download a PPK file as well. So click on launch instance. So now your instance is launched. Now open this PEM file using Putty generator. So yes, you can save the PPK file from here. From PEM you can extract a PPK file. Click on the Linux instance, copy the public IP, paste it here. Now you have to attach the PPK file here. So go to authentication credentials and browse for PPK file and open. If you repeatedly want to do it, you can save the session or else click on session. So you are able to log into the Linux VM. So this is how we have to log in to the Linux VM and perform operations on it. So now next we're gonna see how to launch an Windows server and log in into it. So I'm launching my Windows server here. Same, I'm taking an AMI of Windows server. So here I'm selecting some free tier, but I'm taking 19 base server. So after that select the key pair. This will helps you to generate an administrator password. So launch instance. Now select the Windows server. On top you can find a connect. You have to click on connect. Go to RDP client. If you want to download with this file, you can download a RDP client, or else you can copy the public IP as well. Now you have to select your PPK file here and decrypt password. So you'll get your password, copy this password. Your username should be administrator, and as you can see the public DNS is also mentioned. So I'm just copying. You can also open your RDP session from your system if it is a Windows. So I'm giving my password here. Click on S. Now you're able to log in to your Windows server. See, it is authenticated and it's logging in. So this is how we log into the Windows server in AWS. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.